Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on a Blade Runner gun that I downloaded from my mini factory. We're going to be doing some weathering using charcoal today. I've used some paint in the past. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a build on a Nerf gun where we did some weathering with some acrylic paint, and that turned out not too bad, I guess. But today we're going to do something different, hopefully changing it to something like this. So as I mentioned earlier, I did download this from my mini factory, so if you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description below. This piece itself took about 3 days to print. There are quite a few pieces, so it is a bit complicated to put together, but once you kind of line everything up, it does make sense. I did make tiny modifications because for my own preferences, I felt certain things looked better this way, but the piece itself is a very nice design. Credits to the designer on my mini factory, so again, check it out if you guys are interested. Today I am going to be using charcoal. I haven't done this before, so I'm not entirely sure what this results will be like, but I'm hoping it will turn out pretty cool. Definitely charcoal is still pretty messy when it comes to paint, but at least you won't be worrying about the drying process, I guess. But it's still going to get a bit messy, but we'll see what happens. So that is pretty cool. I mean, I didn't do the most thorough job, but you can kind of see what charcoal can do if you were to give it a go on your piece. Definitely gives it a more natural kind of weathered look, I'd say. I've used paint in the past, and for me that was pretty messy and having to wait for it to dry. But here it was just pretty easy. Obviously it's still a bit messy because it is charcoal, but pretty happy. Let's clean up.